Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Power of Knowledge. So guys, today let's start with another topic called airline terminology. And guys, totally we have 19 words in this, and I'll be explaining all these 19 words with complete detail what it is and why we are learning this. So guys, basically I'll tell you why we want to learn this airline terminology. So while working in an airport as a ground staff, it's very mandatory that we should know these words, because it is helpful for not only the customer service but for all the departments. So guys, I am telling you it's not only for the customer service, it is for the all three departments, and it is a basic words or terms we are learning in this video, that is or that will be used while working in airport. So let's begin with our topic. And total we have 19 sub words. So all 19 sub words I'll not complete in one whole video, so I'll make it as a part, and in every video I'll try to cover up 2 to 3 topics. So we'll start with aerodrome first. Let's begin. So friends, let's start with aerodrome. So what is aerodrome? So aerodrome is the area which is used for takeoff or landing. So it is either on land or on sea. Like we have also airports in between the ocean or in between the sea, right? Also we have few aircrafts which can land and take off from the sea itself, sea or ocean or on the water. So basically aerodrome is called as a area which is used for takeoff and landing. So here in the photo I'll show you, you can see over here, you can see here it has shown runway. So this complete runway area is known as aerodrome, and along with this runway there will be lots of instruments which is used for landing, takeoff, and also tracking the aircrafts and making sure that aircraft is in line while landing. So all these instruments together and runway, we call it as aerodrome. Okay, so guys, what is aerodrome? Aerodrome is the area where arrival and departure, sorry, takeoff and landing happens. That area we call it as aerodrome. In general, what we call it as is runway. So the runway word is for easier or for all other peoples, but we as a ground staff or we as working in aviation, we call it as aerodrome. Okay, now what is airport? So again, in the same video in the same picture I'll show you what is airport. So first I would like to tell you that airport is divided into two parts, that is air side and land side. So you can see over here this red box which I have drawn. So this complete red box we call it as air side, and in air side what and all it includes, let me show you. So runway, taxiway and ramp. So runway, taxiway and ramp, all these three together we call it as air side. Also you can see over here it says aircraft maintenance. So in some of the airports we have shed where aircraft can go inside and maintenance can happen. So again that also comes under air side, not the other side. Okay, so runway, taxiway and ramp, whatever comes in the ramp, again the aircraft maintenance area or hangar we call it as. So all these things comes in the ramp, so that will be considered as ramp. So ramp, taxiway and runway we call it as air side. Now let's see what is the other part. So you can see over here in the green box I have shown. So this green box basically or generally you peoples or the general people may know it as terminal, right? But we call it as land side. So terminal building and whatever happens there, like roads are there, vehicles comes, or inside the terminal there are lots of shops for shopping. We have duty free shop, then we have security area where the security check-in happens. So all this comes under land side, so which is in the terminal, and also the parking area, vehicle parking area, not the aircraft parking area, vehicle parking area comes under land side. So in general, all these together we call it as airport. Again, airport is classified into two subcategories, that is airside and landside. Landside is the building, we call it as terminal, and whatever happens, the road, parking, passenger comes, like once they come from home, they get down that area. Then once the passenger arrive from other destination, they take the cab or they board the cab, they take the bus. In the airports we have also bus stands. So everything comes under land side, and only runway, taxiway and ramp comes under air side. Okay, now let's see what is maneuvering area. So for maneuvering area, I'll show you with the other picture which has complete, you can see over here. So again, I have classified these in three different categories. So you can see over here, the runway I have marked in green. So I have also written over here runway, and taxiway is the area where the aircraft, once the aircraft is landed or once the aircraft is ready to depart. So as soon as it is ready to depart or as soon as it is landed, it cannot enter the ramp area because it needs some time or some other way to enter the ramp. So we have a separate road which we call it as taxiway, and this is not as big as a runway, like the width, not the length. The width is not as long as the runway, it is little bit smaller. Okay, so this we call it as a taxiway. And you can see over here, I have divided these three yellow boxes, and inside these yellow boxes you can see over here there is a road again which connects the runway and the taxiway. Here again you can see this is connecting the runway and taxiway. So this road we call it as maneuvering area. Keep in mind, what is maneuvering area? The road or the area which connects runway and a taxiway, that area we call it as maneuvering area. So guys, this is very important. I will show you with one more example. So see, these are the aircrafts which are ready for departure, right? Like you might have a question that why we need taxiway. So suppose, see, all these aircrafts are ready to depart. Can it depart at a time? Because on single runway, departure also happens, arrivals also happens. So flight is landing as well as some flights are taking off. So this taxiway helps the departure aircrafts to hold, and as soon as the runway get clear, they can come inside the runway and take off. Now while landing also we need taxiway. That's why I'll tell you. Suppose if the flight has landed over here, after landing at particular point it has to exit the runway, because until and unless the aircraft doesn't exit the runway, or if it doesn't go out of runway, other flight cannot take off or land. So for that purpose again we need taxiway, and to connect those both, like runway and taxiway, we have road over here, this road. So this road we call it as, or this area we call it as maneuvering area. Okay guys, so guys, only that's it for today. We'll meet up in the next class. And guys, if you have any doubt, please comment me. I'll try to help you out, or I'll try to get you the answer. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for our further educational videos. And also I'm uploading few facts video which is related to aviation, and that video most probably it will be in Hindi. But if I get more comments, and if you guys comments that you want it in English, then for sure I will also make that video in English. So we'll meet up in next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.